Once you started growing, what kind of system or process did you set up so you don't have to take 2 a.m. calls for toilet flooding?
So first, there's not as many 2 a.m. toilet flooding calls as everybody imagines. That's like
Exactly. That's what we have been told, right?
everybody's like, oh, I don't want to get a rental property. I don't want the 2
Right,
a.m. calls for a
right,
flooded toilet. I've literally never had a 2 a.m. call.
right.
I've had maybe some 10 p.m. calls, but no 2 a.m. calls. Well, as soon as I could, I once my staff started growing, my unit count started growing, I kind of had a maintenance coordinator come on board. And I was like, "You're in charge of all maintenance calls."
Okay.
So that was that, and training tenants to put their maintenance request in through the portal that the software has, so they can do it all online. So we're not getting the phone calls and okay,
Right.
there's that, and very rarely do we have something that's truly an emergency that can't wait until the morning.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Usually, yeah, unless there's a fire or, something else. So,
Broken pipes
yes,
and
broken
water.
pipes. Yeah.
Water is
Yeah.
the issue. So
Yep. So, another question, what software do you use or did you used to use and did you switch to another
we
software?
started with, and we currently use Buildium.
Buildium? Okay.
We are looking to make a switch here soon. We're kind of in that process, but haven't done it yet, so it's not official.
Yeah, we should definitely talk because my other business, my partner and I are working on building a new property management software.
Okay.
Yeah, it's basically comparing that software to others would be like Tesla comparing to others because we are putting a lot of automated workflows. So
Okay.
it has a lot of AI stuff. So we are
Love
looking
it.
forward to it.
Yeah, I'll definitely have more conversations about that
Yeah.
then.